Hi, Maggie Harding here for Eileen Hull Designs, and today I want to show you a nature notebook that I made using two of Eileen's dies. I've used her pocket notebook for the book itself, and I've used the mailable frame for this part. I think anybody that got a little book where they could put a picture of their family on the front would really like this. I also think this would make a great little book to give to a grandchild. Think how happy they'd be to get a book with their very own picture right on the front. So the picture just slides in and out, and this is just, I made up the frame and glued it to the face of the book. And I glued it off center because that's just the way I am. So let's take a look at the closure. This is very, very simple to do. I just punched two holes on the front cover, and I actually put eyelets in them. I thought the elastic would hold better. Then just put a piece of elastic through, knot the ends, and boom, you've got it. And it just wraps around the back cover like so. Very, very simple, very quick. I like that. Let's take a look inside. So right now I just have two signatures in here, and there's room for a third. The pocket notebook expands so that you could have, I think, up to 5 signatures in it. This first one is a purchase signature, just a little booklet, and I just put design paper on the front. By the way, I'm using Stamperia's Forest collection, which I think is just so pretty. So now this next signature I made using cardstock and the design paper. So on the inside cover I have a little band where you can tuck these tags. And then this is another little band, has a closure, opens up, and this is a fold out. It folds all the way out. I don't know if that's all in the camera or not. I hope so. And then this is a flip up tag. You could hide journaling, or you could put a picture, a surprise, whatever under there. And this flips over where you could put more pictures. And fold it back up, close it up, and there you go. Turn the page, and we have another pocket here. And I've just put some tags. These tags are part of the design paper. Cut them out, and boom, you've got a little tag. This is just a page with a picture on it. And this is my favorite piece of paper in the design paper. So I just cut it to fit the book, and just look at it just like it is. Nothing further needed. On the next page, we have another little tuck pocket, a plain page where you could put a photograph. And then here is another little flip out. I love these little interactive type things. So this folds out this way or this way. And then just ties up, and I'll tie that back later. And this page has just got a fussy cut little squirrel on it. And then the back. Now, a lot of signatures are sewn or stitched or stapled or whatever, and I do that too sometimes. This one I just decided to just put the pages in here, and that way I can change them out and do what I want when I want. I like that. And then here's where your third signature would go. It's a fussy cut eagle and more design paper. And then the back. That's all there is to it. Just a pretty little notebook. The flowers that I used are from Little Birdie. Some of their older flowers, but aren't they pretty? The bear picture is one that I took in Katmai National Park, which is in Alaska. It was a mama bear. She had 3 little cubs there, and in this picture she was looking for them. So that's my nature journal. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you around. Thanks. Bye.